But I mean, I think those small commercial clients can be a great way to build a base, especially if you're starting from scratch, or if you're trying to expand it and you already have a base. A lot of times those are underserved or nobody's serving those businesses. So I think that's a great opportunity there.
Well, especially when you're in a small area, the pickup and delivery becomes easier. So for the physical therapy place that I just mentioned, literally in the next building over, because it's like a medical complex, we just picked up a dermatologist. We said, look, we can do it. We're here every Friday. I can do it for you inexpensively if you let us pick it up on Friday. We just walk to the next building, get your laundry, and deliver it back at the same time. So, you have those, even on a small scale, like those economies of scale, where you're hitting several places, bing, 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 bing.
Yeah. Huge advantage too. If you can pick up bulk loads of laundry from one location or one small area, huge there. Are you doing for your pickup and delivery, are you doing like a route based, or do you do on demand, or how do you, let's say I want to come do, I want you to come pick up laundry, either residential or commercial.